Most teachers use Google Gemini like a search engine. They ask for a lesson plan, get a generic list, and move on. But Gemini 3.0 Pro is built differently. It has a 2 million token context window, meaning it can remember 1,500 pages of your curriculum, student data, or research papers at once. Today, I'm showing you how to move past basic prompting to automate your grading, research, and lesson prep so you can reclaim hours of your week. Module 1. Activating Thinking Mode for Complex Pedagogy. Gemini 3.0 Pro features a specific thinking mode. Unlike standard AI, this mode plans its reasoning before it types. For example, instead of asking for a 5th grade science quiz, ask it to compare 3 different pedagogical approaches for teaching photosynthesis to a class with 20% L students and 10% students with individualized education programs. Gemini will calculate the ROI of each approach and give you a structured logic for why one works better than the others. Module 2. The Paperwork Hack, Multimodal Data Extraction. We all have that one stack of handwritten notes or a blurry PDF of a classic textbook. Gemini's multimodal capability allows it to read handwritten text and complex charts with precision. You can upload a photo of a student's long-form essay and say, extract the main arguments and format them into a table for easier grading. You are essentially turning your phone camera into a digital teaching assistant. Module 3. Deep Research for Curriculum Design. Educators are often researchers. Gemini's deep research isn't just a search, it's an autonomous agent. If you are designing a new unit on the ethical impact of AI, Gemini will scan dozens of academic sources, news articles, and white papers to write a multi-page report complete with citations. This ensures your curriculum is backed by the latest data without you spending 4 hours in a library database. Module 4. The Socratic Tutor, Guided Learning. One of the biggest fears teachers have is students using AI to cheat. But with Gemini 3.0 Pro, you can turn the AI into a guided learning coach. Instead of a student asking, "What is the answer to this math problem?" you can provide your students with a prompt template that says, "Act as a Socratic tutor. Do not give me the answer. Instead, look at my work, identify where I made a mistake, and ask me a question that helps me realize it myself." This transforms Gemini from an answer engine into a personalized tutor that scales your reach. You are essentially giving every student a one-on-one coach that follows your specific teaching logic.
Module 5. Analyzing Video Libraries for Flushed-Out Lessons.
Found a great 45-minute guest lecture but don't have time to re-watch it to find the best clips? Paste the link into Gemini. Ask it to identify every key concept mentioned and provide the exact timestamp for when it starts. You can instantly generate study guides or quiz questions based on specific segments of any video, ensuring your students actually engage with the content. Module 6. Visual Pedagogy with Nano Banana. Now, let's talk about Gemini's secret weapon for visual learners, the Nano Banana model. For educators, this is a game changer. You can generate custom diagrams, infographics, or historical recreations that actually have the correct labels. If the image isn't perfect, you don't have to start over. Just use the image edit feature to say, keep the castle, but change the background to a rainy atmosphere. Nano Banana handles these iterative refinements seamlessly, allowing you to build the exact visual aid you need for your slides without needing a graphic design degree. Module 7. The Interactive Canvas, Live Editing. Watch how this works in practice. I've just asked for a rubric, and instead of a wall of text in the chat, it opens here in the interactive canvas. Now, let's say I want to make the grammar section more rigorous. I don't have to type a new prompt. I simply highlight the text in the exemplary column, click the refine button, and type, make this focus more on sophisticated transition words. Greater than instantly, that specific cell updates. You can even click the quiz or infographic shortcut at the bottom of the canvas to instantly turn that rubric into a student-facing study guide or a self-assessment checklist. It's the ultimate bridge between AI brainstorming and a final, classroom-ready document. Module 8. Connecting your workspace, Gmail or Drive. The real-time saver is the workspace integration. Enable extensions to let Gemini search your Gmail in Google Drive. You can ask, summarize all emails from parents regarding the upcoming field trip and list any dietary restrictions found in their replies. It scans your entire inbox and organizes the data into a list in seconds. In this guide, we've unlocked the full potential of Gemini 3.0 Pro, moving beyond basic chat to professional-grade automation. By mastering thinking mode for pedagogical reasoning and the interactive canvas for live editing rubrics, you've gained a powerful digital workspace. We've integrated deep research for cited curriculum building, video analysis for instant lesson insights, and the Nano banana model for high-fidelity visual pedagogy. By deploying the Socratic Tutor for guided student learning, digitizing work with multimodal data, and streamlining admin via workspace sync, you aren't just using AI, you're evolving your classroom. Stop prompting like a beginner, start building a smarter workflow, and reclaim your time. Thanks for watching.